Wow, that's insane. It gets enough blood and it does not hurt a bit. It does not hurt at all. I am unboxing this because I'm really excited about the idea of a painless lancing device. And what I think is really interesting about this is that most times that you have to prick your finger, it does hurt. Like, we all know that and we all hate that. And this is supposed to make it not hurt. So we're gonna unbox it. I'll show you what's in this box as well as the actual use of it so that you can see how it works. So first, here's the box. I have the blue one. It does come in different colors. And so it says it's the Genteel vacuum blood draw device. And you can check your blood sugars without pain. It's a perfect drop every time, which sometimes we know we have to go back and do it again because, you know, you don't get enough blood and you waste a test strip and it's annoying and it hurts. And then you can give your fingers a break so you can actually check in different places than on your fingers. So I'm gonna try a different place on my fingers today. And then you can check your blood sugars more often because it hurts less and it's less painful. So pretty good. Okay, so this is the box all around. It's really pretty simple. That's what the device looks like. And it's a vacuum draw. It's gonna be interesting to see that. So what it contains is 1 Genteel lancing device, 2 nozzles, 6 contact tips, a sample butterfly touch lancet, and of course you have to use your own meter and test strips for this. So I'm going to open it up. That is some strong tape. Also, just FYI, you definitely need a tool to get this open. Okay, so I got, I didn't mean to rip it, I'm sorry. But as you guys know, clumsy me always. All right, so got my knife in my pocket just in case I need it for anything else. And then here's what's in there. So these are sample lancets and a warranty card. Cute little butterflies. And then here are the lancets, then warranty card, and then here is the full kit. So we'll open this up. Let's see. This is how you always know I haven't done this before because it's always fun to watch me struggle. And I want to try and open it up nicely and not just like rip it open like I would, but I guess I just have to be myself and rip it open. Okay, so we have here first, this looks like just a pouch to keep everything in. So it's like a little pouch for your lancets. These are the contact tips from most shallow to deepest depth. Okay, and the blue one is factory installed, so that one is the shallowest. Then we have, let's see, is there anything else in there? A little holder. We've got an emergency card, so you can write your information on it and you can stick it in your pouch here, which I think that's a pretty nice touch because I know some of my other diabetes bags don't have like a place for an emergency card, and I like that this is right in the front. And then this is a pretty nice pouch. So I do wish, okay, I was gonna say, I wish it laid flat. It does lay flat, so it opens all the way. Yeah, that's a nice addition that comes with it. And then it has a zipper pouch side. It has this side with Velcro, so that's pretty nice. And then it has a full zip around here. 2 zippers. And just like a little hanger holster kind of thing. So that's cool. Very nice. Okay, and then what everyone has been waiting for, the actual device. And then we have our pamphlet. So this has how to use it, how to start with it, how to put everything together. So I'm gonna read this and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna do a lance and then take my blood sugar so that you guys can see it. Okay, then this is the actual device, the actual Genteel. It has a pretty heavy form factor. It is very nice and well built. You can see it here. So it's like super sturdy. I don't know if you guys can hear that. That's how, when I tap on it, it sounds. So it's definitely heavy, metal and plastic components. Very nice. And it also comes with a card that just says, like, if it's not performing the way you want, you can contact customer service. So, and then you can watch a short video about the Genteel for how to use it before you even start, which is cool. So I'm gonna pull that up and I'm gonna watch it. Okay, so I just watched the whole video and I'm going to do my best to remember all the steps so that I can show you guys how to do this. So first, I'm gonna move things out of the way. I've already washed my hands, so no worries about that. I'm gonna open up the lancets so that I can get one lancet out. There we go. And I'm also going to have my blood sugar meter and a test strip nearby, just to make it easy on myself. There we go, there we go. Okay, so everybody is ready. The first step is to take your Genteel plunger. You make sure that you have the correct tip on. I'm starting at the shallowest depth. Then you place it on a table firmly to form a seal, and you push it down till you hear a click. Got that part right? Very nice. You don't want to touch this button, which is the activation button, just quite yet. Then I'm going to take my lancet. Let's see if I can get this right. It's hard to do this on camera and for myself. Okay. I think the lancet is in. Okay. Then I'll take the cap and I'll twist it back on. Okay. I will firmly place the Genteel on my skin. I want to like show it to you guys in the right way. And notice I'm not using my finger for it. I'm using the pad of my hand, which is not usually a place you can take your blood sugar from. Then I will push down on the activation button like the vacuum. Well, I didn't get anything that first time. It's possible that I just need a different depth. I will say it is painless. It doesn't feel like anything. We're gonna keep going till we find my depth. So next one is clear. Let's try it again. There we go. That was painless, y'all. And it did work. I see the blood in there. Okay, so then slowly taking my finger off. Wow, that's insane. It gets enough blood and it does not hurt a bit. It does not hurt at all. I didn't even feel it. Do our, holy moly. Okay, 131. That's all right. So very cool. Sorry if you don't like blood. It took me a couple tries to find my depth. So that was something that you're just gonna have to like go with the flow on when you are first trying it out. So I first thought, oh my God, I'm doing it wrong. But it's really just that I needed a deeper depth for my skin. So start out at the lowest and then work your way up. Oh, I actually skipped. I skipped green, which was the third one. So I actually went to the fourth depth. And it didn't hurt at all. It was like nothing. So that's actually pretty incredible, because that seems like a pretty deep depth. And normally, like after a finger stick, my fingers are so sore and they just hurt. And it was really cool to do it. And it was so fast and it didn't hurt at all. So like I said, and like you guys saw, it did take me a couple of tries to find my depth, but once I did, it was perfect. It worked out great.